Welcome back to the workshop, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Your good friend Walter at the workbench. Wow. That's about all I can say. Wow. This is a beast of a hand plane. Look how thick that is. Look at the thickness on the sole. That is one heck of a hand plane. My friends, you're looking at the Clifton 4.5 jumbo smoother. This came as a gift. It took me about 3 months to get it in here after I chose my gift. My son got this for me, my son Nick. I want to thank you, Nick. And wanted to get me something that I would never, ever be able to buy for myself. And this is an amazing plane. We're going to do a complete breakdown of the plane. We're going to clean everything, oil everything, tune it all up, hone it, polish it in another video, probably in a week or so. But this thing is heavy, and it is going to make polishing out large flat surfaces so easy. The weight will keep it in contact. There'll be no bulldogging it. And man, that is something. It's got a cryogenic blade, which is a Clifton proprietary blade, walnut tote and knob, and I kind of prefer walnut over cherry, but I like cherry and walnut because they're domestic woods, no exotic woods, no jungle woods. I don't want to see the rainforest touched in any way. It's my opinion. But I just wanted to give you guys and gals a quick glimpse of this before I do the breakdown. And it's been nicely deburred and ground. Everything. I don't feel anything at all disturbing. It's almost as if it's been used, in my shop for a number of years, and it just feels good in the hand. And wow. I'll just leave that there for you all to take a look at. And remember, in all things, give thanks. And don't forget to head out to your shop and go make some shavings. Not with this yet, though. Soon. Walter out.